with me. I'm Sammy the Starfish. Under the sea, we're off to find some shapes so bright they sparkle and dance in the ocean's light. Look at that circle, round and neat, like a beach ball bouncing at your feet. A pearl that shines, a lifebuoy ring. Circles make me want to sing. There's a crab giving us a wave. Hello, crab. He loves circles. He's so brave. Sammy points and gives a cheer. Circle time is finally here. Squares are cool, with sides so straight. Look at the chest. It's full of gold bait. A crab floats a window too. So many squares just waiting for you. Sammy claps and happy fair. He loves the shape that always fair. 4 sharp corners, 4 strong sides. Square are stars in the ocean's tide. A triangle here, a triangle there. Look at that sailboat catching sea air. Sandwich slice and a shark fin too. All 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, woohoo! Sammy holds his sign up high, pointing triangles reach the sky. They're sharp, they're neat, they shine just right, like ocean sky in the morning light. A rectangle door, so tall and bright, leads to a castle of pure delight. A book floats by with pages wide, a freight with fishes tucked inside. Sammy swims with eyes so wide, rectangles he shouts with pride. Long and short sides, side by side, they're the shapes that love to glide. Ovals float in swirly stream, like bubble dreams and jelly bean gleams. Fishy eyes in a skinny swirl, and a submarine window like a pearl. Sammy got his goggles on tight, over lenses shiny bright. They're straight out circles, smooth and cool. Oval makes the ocean rule. Oh, a heart means love, a warm sea hug, like heart drawn in sand by a crab or a smock. 2 bumps on top and a point below. We send seahorses wherever we go. 5 bright pointers, 1 awesome star. That's me, Sammy, the shape superstar. Stars twinkle high and shimmer low. Come on, let's let those starfish glow. Circle, square, and triangle too. Rectangle, oval, just for you. Hearts of hugs and stars that shine. Now you know each shape's just fine. Oh, so you did amazing. I'm proud to say you learned your shapes the ocean's way. So splash on back and join the ride with Sammy and friends in the shapey tide. Bye.